Hello, hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yana Smakula, and you are watching day 9 of the 13 days of Craftoween by Spellbinders. The Craftoween is a cool box. I shared an unboxing of this box or a look at this box in my first video in the series, and I have 8 more videos looking at days 1 through 8, showing you the products and showing you the cards that you can make. If you have missed those, I do have them linked in the video description below. And let me quickly show you. So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. I think this one's my favorite so far. Day 5, creepy, yet still cool. This is day 6. Day 7, and day 8. So in this video, we're opening the box and taking a look at day 9. We're more than halfway done, and I can tell you guys, these cards are so easy to make. These products are a treat to create with. I don't often do Halloween cards, and I've missed that. You know, I love holiday crafting, and by holiday, I mean any type of holiday. So I will enjoy a Christmas crafting the most, of course, but I also love Halloween crafting. So this box gives me the opportunity to craft, to create cards, to enjoy the process and have fun with Halloween products. And it's, it's low pressure or no pressure at all because there's just one little die per day, and I don't have to spend a ton of time working with that particular die set because it's small and compact, and it takes me less than an hour to cut it out and put it into a card and have fun and enjoy myself and, all the good things. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at day 9. We have just a few more days left. Just a few more. Okay, day 9. We do have the spider on the cover, and I'm not a fan of spiders. We already had one spider on, I think it was day 5. That one was super creepy, but the card turned out really nice. So I hope this one's not a spider. But as we know, the illustration here is not what we will see on the inside of the booklet. So are you guys ready? Ta-da-da-da! Oh, that's that adorable monster that we saw on the back of the box. Here he is, the one-eyed monster. And even the pumpkin is with the one eye. Oh, that is so adorable. Oh, and you can also add a little glass, like glasses, but I don't know, glass? Would that be glass to his eye? I don't know. Cool. Anyhow, loving this one. I'm going to pause my video, make my card, and be back with the project. And here is a look at my finished card featuring day 9. I had to look because I'm forgetting which day this is. So this is a cute monster card. I gave my monster glasses. He's wearing trendy yellow glasses. He is also wearing a hat, and the hat is from day 2. It's from this one. I also added some bats at the top here, and the bats are from day 8 from this card. I love it. So the color combination here is fairy tales for the background, peridot for the monster itself, and I ink blended the monster using Mossy Meadow ink from Alt New. I also used saffron, that's for the glasses, and carrot for the pumpkin and the detail on the band. The rest was cut from brushed black and white cardstock. I did use the sentiment from my stash from that happy hour collection, and this one reads, "Just here for the booze." And this one is done using matte black foil on brushed white cardstock. I also used Copic markers. So here I have the C3 and C5, and these were used to create a shadow to help me ground my little monster. Oh, and finally, of course, as always, I use the onyx gems to embellish this card. I'm starting to run low. I'm hoping I will have enough to finish all of my monster cards because I feel like I like using these black gems on these cards. So again, this is a look at day 9 of the 13 days of Craftoween from Spellbinders. Thanks so much for joining me today and spending time with me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you again, hopefully tomorrow for day 10.